Good morning, MigueLows. Afternoon, evening, whenever you're watching this. I'm gonna go for the little walk down here. Let's check this out. Should we go left or right, guys? Left or right, MigueLows? Let's check out to the right. So, MigueLows, do you guys have anything planned coming up for Thanksgiving? If you guys celebrate Thanksgiving, because I know some of you MigueLows are not in America and watch us from Europe, India. Oh, all you benchots out there. Benchot. Anyway, do you guys have any plans for Thanksgiving? Comment down below, MigueLows. Also, this video is a little bit longer than a short. So, you guys prefer shorts or prefer long videos, long walking videos? Comment down below, MigueLows, let me know. Because usually I just record one long one and then I'll cut it so that way shorts. Because me personally, I just watch it for a few seconds, right? And then swipe, swipe, swipe. I'm pretty sure you guys are the same, MigueLows. Have ADHD, up to the next one, our attention, right? Even as grown folks. So I can just imagine these kids. But I see the algorithm, and it's mainly us adults. That's okay, MigueLows. I'm in your age demographic. It's a nice peaceful trail. Oh, what was that? I did a squirrel. Whoa. What do you guys think, MigueLows? Little creek. And nothing but development. Right? That's crazy. Still nature on one side. And then boom, gone. What a shame, MigueLows. MigueLows, what's going on? Are you still here, MigueLows? Of course you're here. You're watching, right? Comment down below if I should talk more. You guys like the silence and a nice peaceful walk. Can't really hear the birds anymore. I like being quiet when you can hear the birds. That's where it's at, dude. But now I feel like I need to speak. It's too quiet, MigueLows. All new construction. What a waste. So nice and beautiful. It was natural. Okay, MigueLows. Hopefully you guys have a great day. And keep on watching, MigueLows. You know what to do.